My first goal is learn to analyze research data. The specific is, yes, I should be more proficient in this operational process, and the correct analysis of the data is a confirmation of my professional. The measurable is every week I can analyze the expense and the revenues of a large company and then to analyze the finance reporting tables. The achievable is, yes, I think these goals can be reached and the probability of reaching it is high, and the repeated practice analyze research and the practice make perfect. Combining that what you are learned, the relevant is, yes, this is relevant to my future long-term career. I want to be a financial broker, so I have to work with data. The time bound is 2 years later. The second goal is proficient in the use of official software in finance. And the specific is, yes, I think that use this software professionally can save us a lot of time and enable more accurate calculation. The measurable is, yes, I can practice with the data every day to become more proficient. The achievable is, I think this goal can be achieved then to use financial office software is a must for studying finance. Relevant is, yes, I think this is relevant to the another goal so that the data can be better analyzed and the calculations will become easier. The time bonds, I think, is 2 years later. The third goals is expand my circle of friendships and make myself more resourceful. Specific is, yes, this will allow my to network more and have more resource to achieve my goals. Measurable is, yes, I think it measurable by interacting more with people every day and building good relationships. Achievable, I think is attainable, and people should just interact with each other. The relevant, I don't think the correlation with survive another growth is very stronger, but it does have some relevance. The time bonds, I think, which came 2 years later. The fourth goals is exchange your verbal skills. The specific, I think it has improved my logic and the communication is only somewhat on point, on point to get better. The measurable, I think, is measurable and the power and the push myself to complete it every day. Achieve by saying, yes, I think this is achievable by practicing, speaking, and listening constantly every day. Relevant. Yes, I think there is a stronger correlation that being well verbalized is also easier to make friends with another. The time bonds, I think, is 1 year later. The five goals is improve my writing skill. The specific, yes, I think is can express myself more clearly. The measurable, I think is measurable in the push myself to complete it every day. The achievable, I think it is a reachable goal. Keep writing and practicing every day. The relevance, yes, I think this is a stronger relevance, and the only way to express myself more clearly is to write well. And the time bounds, I think 1 year later. My long-term career plan is to be a financial breaker, and my current major in college is finance, which is consistent with my goal plan, but I will start from the best career and try to application my short-term smaller goals. I also have a lot of ability to improve, which may also become an obstacle to accomplish my goals. I will overcome difficulties every day to do better. When facing setbacks and failures, I will choose to relax appropriately, such as going out for a trip, going out for sports, and taking a short break. Let myself a better have a better state to meet new challenge.